The more that you can outsource sana, the better. But I understand also that as many of you limited yung resources, which is good because you start to become creative. So may advantages din naman kung medyo you have a little bit of resources because imbes na ikaw gumagawa, pinagagawa mo na lang. So it has its pros and cons. So do not let money or lack of capital, kasi yun ang mga convenient excuse ng maraming gusto magnegosyo eh. Wala kasi yung capital eh. Gusto ko magnegosyo, lang wala ang capital. Really, it's just an excuse for not taking action because there are a lot of business there that you don't need capital. In this ebook business, when I started, wala pa rin po akong capital. The only capital that I have is like 500 pesos to buy a domain name. That's all it started. 500 pesos, come on, my friend. I believe you can come up with that. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.